she's picking up the bucket. I was like, where's she going?
You're not still eating, are you?
Sounds like it. Hey, you. You need a rider? Hmm? I don't have anything. I'm sorry. No treats.
You didn't get yours?
Finally, you got that cookie.
No, can't be looking on them.
Where does this one go? Is this somebody?
Oh no, they'll stay here.
Oh, thought I was helping.
That's good. These are Katie's horses, so she, the horses that stay here that we feed with the buckets on, they're the ones that we go around, and get the buckets off and also the cooking. And then they get the house feed, and then there are horses here that still wear the buckets, but people own them and they want to feed them special feeds, so then we have those horses that are special. And now we got these guys. Let's see, who has... Okay, where's Roman? Is he out? See if Greenfoot's on the ground anywhere. These are all Ellie's horses. I mean, not that she owns, but hers, she's in charge of that. She's training and stuff. Not those, but the ones behind us. There. Greta, right? Oh, there we go. There's the two of them, Greta and Rooster. These are the two. Travis, right? And Mary, right? Our two super horses. Hi, Posey. Jovi, sorry. I know, I have a problem, right? Jovi? Is Hayden coming? There he is. Hey, no kicking.
Oh, mean mugging. Uh-oh. You're not supposed to do that. Hey, no cribbing. Is that what that neck strap's for?
Yeah. She cribs.
She says that won't stop her.
No, it can't stop it. It does stop them from getting all the air in.
Hey.
So, not something that...
Hey, cutie. Oh, you are cute, huh?
It's very dangerous unless they suck enough air to get...
Or worse, gas.
The food out for most of the time. Try to crib on the side of the bucket that was soft, so it wouldn't get out when Now, who we got over here? Okay, so somebody's bothering Charlie. Right?
Is that why he hides in the shed?
I don't know why he's doing anything. All right. He doesn't want his bucket on. Doesn't want to eat his food. He definitely wants his cookies. I can tell you that. So I'm going to take these small ones out. The old guy here to get them inside. Dig it down to the bottom of the bag.
What kind of horse cookies are those?
I forget what they're called, but
They look
they like them
rocks.
because they're nice and big, So I give mine alfalfa cubes. I don't need too many. Just put these in my pocket. Here, take these. Oh, I have bags in my phone. I hope I don't lose any. Oh, I might have. Okay. I'll know when I get back. Alrighty. Let's see what I got going on here. And I think I'm going to take out, so I got this, right? Did I take them? Oh, yeah, they're in. Alright. Hey! Here you go. Stewie.
I think. Oh. Oh, yeah. Stewie, huh? You have a big head. Yes, you do. Don't you? Hello. I missed your name. What's your name?
What'd you get, huh? Oh, you're cleaning up all the grain? Oh, no kid in here. Oh, you got a snotty nose.
Oh, he didn't finish. Uh-oh. Here comes a shark. Na 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 na. Mm-hmm. Yeah, you tell him. Mm. Aren't you guys cute? Yeah. Oh, you are not cribbing.
Looking at you. That's what they're there for, pictures. That's our photograph.
Hey, hey! Stop that. Hey, that's like the smoking of the horse world. Hey, don't do that. Busted. He's busted. Oh, hey, knock that off. Don't be cribbing. You know what they need? Some toys. Yeah, some toys to keep you busy. Mm-hmm. Oh, you guys are so cute. You get along, huh? You don't bite each other.